everyone, so today we have a new item to show you. This is the SunSun HW3000. There are a lot of new features in this canister. For starters, there is a LCD display. On the LCD display, there are 4 simple soft touch buttons. And this canister can do 396 to 793 gallons per hour. To adjust the power of the motor, first you want to hold on to the motor symbol for about 3 seconds and you see the symbol unlock. Hold it again for another 3 seconds and the symbols for the power levels will flash, and you can adjust it by pressing the up or down buttons. To adjust the UV light, first you want to hold on to the UV light symbol and it will unlock, and just hold it again for another 3 seconds and this number will start to flash, and you can have the UV light turn on for 2 hours during the day, 4, 8, 16, or 24 hours a day. The number below the amount of hours that your UV light will run will tell you the amount of hours that in total that your UV light has been running, and the manufacturer suggests that you switch the UV light every 8,000 hours. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment, or you can always email us at info@mingllc.com.